Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to access the Reminders application from the dock on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Reminders application, which is built into the Mac computer. So we can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. What I would do is go to Launchpad and then search for, let's just say, the application, Reminders, enter to open up the application. Let's just close the Reminders application for the moment, go all the way down to the dock. And if we have it within the dock, we can click the application Reminders. And this would open up the Reminders application via the shortcut. Let's just close and quit Reminders. Let's go all the way down to the dock again. Go to Reminders. Take the application by clicking and pressing and removing. This will remove the application from the dock, but not delete. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. And so we now no longer have the Reminders application on the dock. So let's just say, let's go to Finder. Let's go to Applications. And let's change the view to Icons. And let's just search for Reminders. Once we have that, we can drag and drop this to the dock. And this makes life easy, as now what we can do is, let's just say we have started the tutorial. We can go all the way down to the dock and we will go to Launchpad and search for the application. But what we can now do is use the shortcut Reminders on the dock. And so let's now close Reminders. And so that's how you access the Reminders application from the dock on a Mac computer. If you do not have the application, I've just demonstrated to you how to go to Finder, search for applications, locate Reminders, add to dock as part of the shortcut. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.